everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Warner Bros. Account in Mortal Kombat. If you want to create a Warner Bros. Account in Mortal Kombat Mobile, it'll help you save your game progress, sync data across devices, and recover your account if you change or lose your device. First of all, launch open the Mortal Kombat application on your Android or iOS devices, and once you've completed your tutorial, you will then come across this homepage. From here, tap on the New Player button at the top left corner, and in the expanded menu, click on Create Account and Sign In. Now on the next page, tap on Create Account/Sign In button at the top and follow through the instructions. This will now open up a site where you can go ahead and enter an email address you want to sign up with. After typing down an email, click Continue. On the next page, go ahead and tap on Accept and Continue, and then you'll receive a verification code sent to you via your email. Go open up the same email that you just typed in, and inside your inbox, you'll see a verification code. Simply type in the verification code in the text box. After typing them down, click on Continue. Now, go ahead and enter your new WB display name, or you can also use the same over here. Now you can get back to the Mortal Kombat mobile app to continue. Let's close this window and click on OK. Soon after you do that, you'll also receive a reward, and there you have successfully created a WB account in Mortal Kombat Mobile. Your progress will now be linked to your Warner Bros. Account. That's how you successfully create a WB account in Mortal Kombat Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.